Good morning, students. In this way, we have finished the chapter Advanced Tries and O level. Before discussing the question answer, I would like to tell you what is the theme of this chapter Advanced Tries and O level. The theme of the story Advanced Tries and O level is a clever escape planned by a convict on the pretense of taking a language exam in prison. The convict, even after being caught, still has the last laugh and makes his escape. The story also brings to light the fact that one should not underestimate one's opponent. The story also brings to light the fact that one should not underestimate one's opponent. The police officers were through in their preparation, but they underestimated Evans and his power to give them the slip. This is the theme of the chapter Evans tries an O level. Okay, and let us discuss about the justification of the title. The term O level in the story refers to the basic test. This examination is at the center of Evans' successful escape. It is in the guise of taking the O level exam in German that Evans plans and executes his escape successfully. Conducting the O level examination by the prison authorities gave Evans the chance to make a successful exit from the prison. It is also the question paper of this examination that helped the governor track Evans at the Golden Lion, from where Evans make his final successful escape by fooling the governor. It is a hint at the preparation that Evans had taken to make his escape successful. So we can say that the title is appropriate. So there is a great role of German O level in escaping of Evans from the HM prison. So we can say that the title Evans tries an O level is appropriate. Okay, and let us discuss about the chapter nutshell. Okay, so let us discuss about the chapter nutshell. So first of all, I would like discuss about the precautions taken to prevent Evans' escape during the. Okay, guys. So precautions taken to prevent escape from the jail. What was the precautions that was taken by the jail authorities? First, Evans was kept in a solitary room and incommunicado. Cell was thoroughly checked. Nail file and his seizure was taken out. A priest as an invigilator, as an invigilator was sent to the jail for invigilation. McLary's bag was checked, okay, and his paper knife was taken, and paper knife of the invigilator was taken, and initially guard in a cell. Later, when outside, checking on Evans after every minute or 2 minutes. Okay, means the examination was started in the cell of Evans, and the officer was asked to come out of the cell, but he was peeping from the hole after every minute or 2 minutes. Okay, and cell bugged and letting Evans see it, so there would be no attempt to escape. All message or phone calls to go to the governor, well guarded with all officers on alert. 2 locked doors between Evans' cell and the yard, which had a high wall. These were the precautions which was taken by the jail authorities so that Evans should not escape from the jail. Mistake made by the prison authorities. What was the mistake that was made by the prison authorities so that Evans should not escape from the jail? Okay, despite knowing that Evans was always breaking out of jail, and although they suspected he would try to break out again, the prison authorities still made many mistakes which was made by the prison officers. All the jail authorities were very well aware about the breaking out of the jail, though they have suspected, या they suspected he would try to break out again, ठीक ना, okay. And the prison authorities have taken many jail authorities have taken many precautions so that Ivan should not escape from the jail, but he has escaped from the jail, and these were the mistake which was made by the jail authorities. First off, validity of the German tutor not checked. Okay, German tutor who was coming to teach Ivans in the jail, the validity of the German tutor was not checked. Ivans allowed to sit for an exam knowing he was not academically inclined and not checking whether he had learned any German at all. Okay, the jail authorities have not tried to check whether Evans was interested in O level or not, letting Evans see the name of the invigilator on the form when the form has come, which was signed to Evans, and they let to see to Evans the name of invigilator. And the mistake which was made by Jackson not taking more precautions in verifying the invigilator's identity despite knowing Evans knew his name. Okay, what was the mistake that was made by Jackson? Not taking more precautions in verifying the invigilator's identity despite knowing Evans knew his name. Second, letting Evans wear the cap for good luck. Next, allowing McLeary to take the rubber tube inside. And the mistake which was made by Stephens not going into the cell despite seeing that Evans was just sitting there, not writing at all. Not verifying the governor's phone call despite seeing that McLeary looked slimmer while going out, not checking him. Once again I am repeating the mistake which was made by Stephens. Not going into the cell despite seeing that Evans was just sitting there, not writing at all. When Stephens has seen that every time when he has peeped from the hole, he finds same situation, same condition as Evans was having pen between his lips, between his teeth. Okay, and he has not tried to know anything about this. And the second mistake, letting Evans wear the cap for good luck. When Stephens said that, okay, put out that filthy hat, but Evans said that it is a pimp of charm, it is very lucky for me, and letting Evans wear the cap for good luck. Allowing McLeary to take the rubber tube inside, he has not forbidden to McLeary to bring the rubber tube inside. And the mistake which was made by the governor, appointing Stephens a new guard to guard Evans. Okay, this was the greatest mistake which was made by governor, that he has appointed Stephens who was newly recruited for this profession, for this job, and he has appointed him to guard Evans. And second thing, allowing Stephens to move out of the cell when Evans protested. Evans has protested at one place that how can it be possible for me to concentrate on my examination when one man is having gun on my neck. He has protested for this, and he has asked for this from the governor, and the governor has asked Stephens to come out of the cell. This was also the mistake which was made by governor, letting Evans know that the cell was bugged. Okay, and the cell was bugged. Letting the examination board phone call go through without verifying its authenticity. Okay, the governor has not checked, ठीक ना, examination board phone call whether it was fake or not. Letting Evans wear a blanket, this was also mistake. Okay, and knew how shrewd Evans was, but believing he had left the correction paper behind by mistake and believing the information in it. And the greatest mistake, and one more mistake which was made by the governor, that the correction paper which was by mistake Evans has left in the cell, and the governor has got information from that paper. This was not a mistake. By knowing very well, Evans has left there. Okay, and calling for the police, not the ambulance. Okay, calling for the police, not the ambulance. At the end, letting Evans escape a second time in a van without verifying the guards, despite knowing how convincing Evans was. Okay, and the next mistake which was made by the governor, that he has not checked thoroughly to the guards whom he has ordered to bring Evans again to the jail, to the prison. Okay, everyone just accepted Stephens believed that the man in the cell was McCleary, as he was bleeding and did not check his wounds. Okay, and when Stephens had seen in the cell, he found that McCleary was lying on the chair of Evans, and he has not checked whether he was Evans or McCleary. He has not checked the wound of McCleary. This was also a mistake. Okay, getting fooled by Evans pretending to be McCleary, although everyone knew Evans was a good mimic. Okay, everyone of the jail authorities knew very well that Evans was good in mimicry, but no one had tried to check whether the man who was in the cell and his face and ears were covered with the blood, whether he was Evans or McCleary. Whether he was Evans or McCleary. Reasons for Evans' success. A very well thought out innovative plan which was brilliantly conceived and excellently executed. Okay, reasons for Evans' success. Knew no one would stop him from studying or taking an exam, so used that as an excuse. Okay, Evans knew very well that no one will forbid him from taking an exam. Okay, and so he was having an excuse. Took time to implement plan. He was in no hurry. He has properly implemented his plan. Every aspect of the plan made foolproof. Okay, every aspect of the plan made foolproof. Cloths being brought in, call for correction, blood in tube, all these things were properly planned. Do not do the obvious. Escape during the recreation. He has not tried to escape from the jail from the recreation. Okay, his own character. Okay, and the character of Evans. Evans, excellent judge of people. Excellent judge of people and knew how to deal with them. Played on Jackson's compassion as cap. Used Stephens' ego, walk McCleary to gate. New governor was fair. Asked Stephens to go out, and Evans knew very well about the governor. The governor was very fair, and asked Stephens to go out. Even permission for exam. Understood how people took things for granted. Would believe bleeding man. He knew very well that the people of the jail took things for granted. मान लेते हैं. Would believe bleeding man. Would be McCleary, not Evans. Not checking done on tutor or invigilator. No one has checked even tutor, even invigilator. Knew everyone would be too flustered to check the wounded man's injuries. Okay, good mimic. He was having good Scottish accent. Presence of mind. He was having presence of mind as he has used blanket to change his dress. Had self-control even when Jackson baited him. Okay, and alert. Saw invigilator's name. He was very alert. When a form came to him for signing, he has seen the name of the invigilator, and he was having some good supportive friends. Earlier experience in jail and at escaping. He was having an earlier experience from how to escape from jail. Okay. Reasons for reader's support of Evans. What is the reasons that the reader's support to Evans? Not evil, harmed no one, likable, good humored, and he was underdog. So sympathy with him. Excellent plan. Deserve to win. Too many mistakes made by authorities. Admire one man making the authorities look foolish. When caught, took his defeat supportingly. And now the character of governor. Governor was good. Allowed Evans to sit for exam. Cassons took all safety measures. Fair. He was fair despite misgivings, complied with Ivan's request. Intelligent, understood he had been duped, dupped, and simple, did not realize the extent of the deception. Gullible, सीधा साधा, as Evans fools him again at the end. He was very gullible. Okay, he was very simple fellow, very gullible fellow, and this is the reason that Evans has make him fool in the last. Okay, now question answer. Okay, question answer, read and find out. What kind of person was Evans? What kind of person was Evans? Evans was a young boy. He was arrested against some charge. He was a pleasant sort of boy, but all the prison officers called him Evans the Break because he had escaped 3 times from the prison. He was an intelligent person. He wanted to appear in German O-level examination. What were the precautions taken for the smooth conduct of the examination? What were the precautions taken for the smooth conduct of the examination? The governor knew that Evans was notorious in breaking the prison as he had escaped 3 times from the prison. Now he wanted to appear in German O-level examination, so the governor was worrying about him. He made some precautions for the smooth conduct of the examination. He made some arrangements in Evans' cell and made a heavy security in the prison. He appointed 2 prison officers, Mr. Jackson and Mr. Stephens, for the security, and there should not be any chance of escape. So he has arranged a communicado in the cell of Evans, so that whatever he is talking in the cell can be could be heard by the governor. Next question, will the exam now go as scheduled? Will the exam now go as scheduled? The exam was going to a little late, but at last it started and went on smoothly. It started at 9:20 am and came to end at 11:25 am. Okay, it came to end at 11:25 am and started at 9:25 am. Okay, and exam started very smoothly. Okay, but it was a little late. Next question, did the governor and his staff finally have a sign of relief? Did the governor and his staff finally have a sign of relief? The exam came to end at 11:20 am. Prison officer Stephens went to see McCleary of the premises, but the governor and his staff did not heave a sign of relief, because when Stephens came back to Evans' cell to take just one last look at Evans, he found that McCleary was sitting on the chair of Evans' cell. Okay, on the chair of Evans. Okay, he was wounded and blood was dropping down from his wound. This made the governor and the whole prison staff astonished, and soon they started to chase the escape Evans. Okay, soon they started to chase the escaped Evans. Next question, will the injured McCleary be able to help the prison officers track Evans? Okay, will the injured McCleary be able to help the prison officers track Evans? Governor ordered his officer to take injured McCleary to the hospital immediately, but McCleary opposed, resisted, and showed a piece of paper written in German to the governor and said that he knew where Evans had gone and he could help them to trace Evans. He could help them to trace Evans or trace Evans. Okay. And the next question is, will the clues left behind on the question paper put Evans back in the prison again? Okay, once again, will the clues left behind on the question paper put Evans back in prison again? Injured McCleary had shown the question paper to the governor. It was written in German. Governor read it and found out that Evans could go to Newbury. He ordered his officer to chase Evans. At last, governor found out the place where Evans was, but he could not brought him back again into the prison. Okay, but he could not brought him back to the prison. Reading with insight. My dear students, we will discuss about this question in our next lecture, reading with the text. Okay, and I am sending you the nutshell of this chapter as well as the theme and the summary. I will send all these things to the students. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.